Hello everyone, this is Andrew with MrRCSound, and just want to give you a demo here. This is the prototype of the version 4.1. Version 4.1 cards will be in very shortly and be shipping with the airplane sounds initially, like the version 4. And very soon after, I'm going to come out with this pack for the for cars, so there will be a version of this card specifically for cars and trucks. So far I've got 6 engine sounds done for different cars and trucks. I'm just going to run through them here as a demonstration. I've got this set for about half volume on a single speaker so as not to overload the microphone here on the camera. So let's go through these. Having a little bit of problem with the switch on this unit. Don't mind that. This is just my prototype unit. I knew that has a problem, but I'm going to try to do one at a time. Don't have any of the auxiliary sounds done yet, or anything. And also, it still says Airplane 1, Airplane 2. I'll change that before this version of the card is ready. Also, this does not have the shift points. The final version, we're still working on the code for the card for shift points. So what I'll do is I'll kind of simulate shift points using the throttle tester here. I'll go up and down so it sounds like it's shifting. Give it a simulated shift point so you can kind of get an idea of what it will sound like when it's all ready to go with the car and truck engine sounds. So this first sound, this one is the one I'm least happy with, and I'm not sure why. It's actual recording. I don't use any digitized buzzes or noises or anything like that. I edit the sounds to the best of my ability and get it sounding as good as I can. This is a monster truck, but I'm just not happy with the way it sounds, so I may redo this one before things are all done. So here we go, monster truck. I just don't think, I think part of it is I don't think that sound is deep enough. So I'll work on that a little bit. Okay, next sound.
Airplane 2.
This is a diesel. This is actually off a diesel pickup. And this sounds really good. I was really impressed with the way this turned out. So as you can see there, I was trying to simulate the gear shifts up and down through the gear range, but that'll be all done on the card once we get the programming done. Okay, next one.
Airplane 3.
This is a late model GM 5.7 liter, I believe it is. Messed up on that one. Let me try it again. Okay, next one.
Airplane 4.
This is an old school Ford 302, I believe, if I recall the order correctly here. Next one.
Airplane 5.
This is a Ferrari. I'm not sure which model. It's a late model Ferrari. And this is a F1 race car, Formula One race car. So there you have it. I'm going to unplug it here. Let me know your thoughts, and we'll go from here. Hopefully, I'm hoping to have not only the version 4 card out with the airplane sounds by Black Friday, but I'm also hoping to have the version 4 cars and trucks out as well. I have a truck on the way, and I'm going to be testing this out in the truck as well. Okay? So stay tuned.